we found one, an affordable sports car. This kind of vehicles, we don't see them anymore. This one is even rarer because it's a BRZ, yes, but a TS. Let's take a look, come. Oh, wow, what a beautiful car. Look at that, wow. That BRZ on the headlights here. And the TS, what's even more cool than the other BRZ is the accents, the Brembo brakes here and the STI-tuned suspension. It is really, really cool. Look at that black accent here. Look at the interior, very STI style with the lumbar support here, the stitches, the blue, the manual transmission only. We don't see much of that vehicles anymore because there's not a big market for that, but a bit more than 200 horsepower, it's very fun to drive. The manual transmission, the steering, the seats, the size, that kind of vehicles are really good. And the only other one that I can think that seems like that kind of vehicle is the Mazda MX-5. Rumor says you only see them on sunny days in summer. Take a look.